over there.
What are you making, Lucas?
I'm making
Are you making a store?
And I'll pin this big guy right here.
Okay. Show me the piece you want to put on.
I'll pin this guy.
Okay. It fits. You just get it. Do it carefully. Push down. Good job. Duktig pojke.
Yeah, I pin this right here. I want to make one right here.
But there's no dots here. It doesn't fit there, honey.
I
It's
want to
smooth.
make one.
Okay, well, just move this out of the way. Here, you can put it there.
I want to make one.
Okay.
Make up to make up to.
There. Theo, vad har du där? Vad är det? Vad har du byggt? What is it?
Sculpture.
A sculpture. You have sculpture.
Broke. What's other part? Well, I will put over. I put this over.
Oh, okay. Take.
I put one, make one over there and over there.
Okay.
I will make one.
Do you want me to help you?
I want to make a kitchen.
Okay. Sure.
I want to make. I put over there.
En toilet. Toaletten i köket. Har du toaletten i köket? Ska vi gå och kissa, Theo? Gå och kissa.
No, go pizza. Nope. I put this over there.
Okej, jättebra.
I pinned this over there. I make a kitchen.
Okej. Jättebra. Här, vill du ha den, Theo? Titta den, Theo. Vill du ha den?
I want to make a kitchen.
Okej. Här har du bröd och en blomma. Titta här har du en kaffekanna. Coffee pot.
I do this over there.
Okej. Det ser bra ut.
I pin this over there.
Okej, gör det då. You can do it. This one? The hose? Okay. In here? Whoa. Cool. Häftig.